Guess I just start talking. It's just so much going on with me. Just keeps happening. I want to talk to people, but everybody's too busy. I'm too busy to talk. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just physically tired, emotionally tired, I'm mentally drained. I'm supposed to pray and not give up. And you're supposed to be so strong, but I don't know what to do anymore. I'm breaking apart. I feel like I'm falling apart. I don't know. I mean, what do? You don't feel like you have anywhere else to. You don't have anywhere to turn. Just don't. You break it. I, I don't feel like maybe this is the only place I can go. Maybe I may not get any views on this, but if I do, maybe it'll help somebody. But I just have to get these things out. I have to get them off my chest. I have to talk. I have to get my feelings out. And I don't feel like no one is there. Everyone is too busy. I don't know. I just don't know anymore. Like, I don't know. That's all I can say right now. Maybe it's gonna get better. I don't know. But right now, it's just too much. It's too much. I'm tired of crying all the time. It's just too much. I don't know.